Hello, my name is Joshi from Anaheim, California. First, I'll discuss question 1. As a young poor immigrant living in a small motel room, I experienced many obstacles created by my socioeconomic status. I was set apart from other children. While they attended movies, I sat home without a single dollar in my pocket. However, my circumstances inadvertently strengthened my character. With abundant time on my plate, I began to explore. I questioned how light bulbs worked, what plastic waste meant, and observed ants in the dirt. Over time, my loneliness created by my financial status was replaced by a fascination for learning. With such curiosity, I embarked on multiple research endeavors and youth service projects. And what I realized throughout my endeavors is that there is more to it than simply the self-satisfaction of acquiring knowledge. With knowledge, I find the joy of making positive changes and helping others. With my strong ethical and moral values learned from my hurdles and my religious Hindu roots, I have truly adopted a passion for altruistic service through innovation. This is the reason why I embarked on my research studies in high school. Each and every one is for the benefit of my global community. Now I only wish to inquisitively expand my academic horizons in college and persist in benefiting others. This is my answer to question 2. If I were to take a gap year, I would most likely go back to my Matribhumi or motherland, India. There, I would like to spend my year in a village and help the residents with my academic knowledge. I do not have a degree nor full mastery in engineering. However, I believe that perhaps by starting an educational campaign or humanitarian organization, I can definitely utilize my knowledge to serve my community. Cities such as Mumbai and Ahmedabad are developing at an exponential scale. Mastery of English is now pretty common in urban areas such as this, and much more opportunity is presented to children both by domestic and foreign companies. However, development in the villages is still stagnant, mainly due to lack of educational opportunities. Thus, I wish to start a service organization in some of my home villages such as Dakor and Umret to introduce young children English and mathematics. By setting up a small class and gathering volunteers within the village, I can truly make a difference in the children's lives and potentially make them strong candidates for opportunities in the cities for their future. Now I'll be answering question 3. So this is an anecdote of what I did last year for my research project. So it began. My AP Physics 2 class was filled with frustration as a lab experiment involving magnets turned out to be a complete bust. However, I was one of the few who kept on trying. Mostly, I was just very interested in playing with magnets. Holding up the magnets, I thought it makes sense to move the magnet here. Wow, how about I now try rolling the magnet? These attempts made me happy. As through the 100 different scenarios that did not work, I learned many fascinating properties of magnets. Particularly, I had stumbled upon a property that left me in a complete awe: energy conservation between magnets. Quickly in my mind, I put the puzzle together, thinking, if what I reason is true, perhaps I could somehow reduce the inefficiency of generating and transferring electricity. I spent day and night reading hundreds of articles and watching college lecture videos to develop my initial concept. Oftentimes, I would sit down and begin my research and would not even know when 3 hours had passed by. While in class, I would jot down notes drawing connections between the curriculum and my project. If ever I was confused, I would post questions on Stack Exchange to find answers. I used every resource possible to develop and finalize my idea, as I was and am determined to find success, not for myself, but for my community. And no hurdles, not my financial background, nor my fears would prevent me from achieving my dream. My teacher helped me build a relationship with NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory's engineer, and my work was later reviewed at their research center. With their insightful feedback, I continued to pursue my goals. After a year of refinement, I built a working prototype of my device and recently presented it to a panel of engineers at the Orange County Science and Engineering Fair, an Intel ISEF associated fair. My hard work paid off, and I won multiple accolades, from first place in my category to a special award from the LA Society of Petroleum Engineers. I am proud of this accomplishment because it showed me what great feats that I am capable of. This very project has given me the courage and the determination to pursue my dream of engineering and apply my curious outlook in college. Thank you.